Dell Inspiron 15, 5558 and 5559 battery replacement. So you can see the battery, service tag and express service code. And this battery we are going to replace. So just hold on. So this battery we are going to replace. Remove the battery. So this is a battery details. You can see Dell 40W standard battery, and battery details. You can see the part number, type number M5Y1K, and this battery available in our store, Hyderabad. And this one also Dell part number. We are going to replace the new battery. This is a new battery. You can see that just we unbox the pack. This one is a new battery, so you can see. So we just install the battery, just shoulder. Yeah, just started. Yes. Yeah, battery replacement was completed, and the system starting now with battery. You can see it's a Dell Inspiron 5558 and 5559. The Dell Genuine and original battery with 1 year warranty. It's available in our stores in Secunderabad and Madhapur. The best deal in our store. So customers directly contact on mentioned number, and you can visit our direct stores in across the Hyderabad. Yeah, you can see the battery indication. So it's now charging. Thank you very much for watching the video.